whenever I want to, not whenever you want me to. What the f is wrong with you? I'm trying to control you, man. I'm trying to do whatever you're trying to do.
She said they call me Daybot. Yeah, my Nightbot don't work unless somebody come in here and type all caps. That's the only time Nightbot work. It'll be like, stop typing caps.
Unfortunately, a terrible accident. Oh, no, is everything okay? Oh, yes, ma'am, everything's fine. I didn't get hit. Zaf didn't get hit, though. Excuse me? All right, sir, go ahead. You two spots your paperwork. You can see your doctor. All right, okay. Emergency contact 832-555-3432. Relationship, my plug. All right, thank you.
Old buddy just put his plug as his emergency contact. I'm gonna have to remember that. Good morning, Shay Love. Y'all know to go check out Shay Love. Very good content over there. Happy to see her in the chat today. How you doing? Hello. Make sure you hit that thumbs up on your way in and out. Make sure you double tap it, right? Talking about a little hustle today. Yeah, caps lock is the only thing that I'll be annoyed by because you know, it look like you're yelling at me, and why are you yelling at me? I'm the plug. I mean, just call me, text me, or send a smoke signal, which will be hard if you're out of smoke, but you get what I'm saying. You get the gist of it.
Your call has been forwarded. Oh my God, why the f*** get the fuck not answering right now? It's 2:30 in the morning. I don't give a f*** what time it is. It could be 0:30 in the morning. It don't matter. When a customer calls, you need to answer. You are a plug. You ain't got no business sleeping. I'm calling him again, bro. All right, so what's the question? Either tell us the last person you was with or take a shot. Oh, no, I'm taking a shot. That's it, me too. Hey, where you going? It's right here. Oh, I'm gonna tap this out first.
I mean, people, once you have a wrench, you can yell at me all you want. You're right about that. But don't try to get my attention yelling if I ain't gave you a wrench yet. Nightbot will try to clap you.
Hold on, let me hit this out first. Bro, come on, I got time for that. Bro, I cannot hoop if I don't hit this out first. God damn, none of my shots are going in. Now, if you want me to actually contribute to the team and hit some shots, I gotta hit this out first. If I hit this out, I'll hit the shot. If I don't hit this out, I won't hit the shot. Either I hit both or I hit none. There's no in between. It's a package deal. Come on, man. Hit this shit real quick. I'm tripping. Baby, you okay? Yeah. Okay. Where are you going? I'm gonna go tap this out. I get nightmares when I go to bed without tapping this out first. Just give me a couple minutes. Let me tap this out real quick. Nobody got time for that. You expect me to go to where when those at me? You know how ridiculous that sounds? I'm not finna watch people fall in love while I'm in the right state of mind. Come on, bro. Be for real. Just give me a couple minutes, man. Damn, it's not gonna take too long.
What up, Big B?
Roll this shit real quick.
Salute right back to you.
Shit, we can roll up real quick. All right, so roll up and look for a move. Nah, rolling up in the move. What you mean? Then once move after you roll up. Shit, we can roll up some more. What you mean? Go plug. All right, bet. Hey, we're taking a plug on my way in. You say do something right now, give him 30 more minutes. 30 more minutes? Yeah. What the f*** am I gonna do with 30 more minutes? Hey, hell, call the backup plug. We're not doing that. Get your refund and call the backup plug. Get your refund and call the backup plug. All right, so what you want to do? I mean, shit, we can roll up then watch a movie. Or we can watch a movie then roll up. Or we can watch a movie while rolling up. Or we can watch a movie on how to roll up. I ain't really tripping, to be honest.
See, I appreciate the homie effort. He said, we ain't got no chicks available to make this video, so I'm gonna need you to act like you a girl in this one. And then the homie was like, nigga, I normally wouldn't do that, but since we out here trying to get our hustle on, because they in hustle mode while they making their videos. Shouts out to Suburb, baby, because, you know, him and his homies, that's what they do. They get out here, get their hustle on, which had me so interested in them this week, because I've been respecting their hustle and watching their videos, which is why we're reviewing them today. Shouts out to reviewing people out there putting in that hustle. That way I ain't got to do everything my damn self. I can review your shit and agree with you or disagree. But, you know, it is all about the hustle. Now, normally we don't agree with acting like ladies because that's what the ladies are supposed to do. Shouts out to the ladies for keeping their job consistent, which is why, you know, if they don't want to come do their job and be ladies in my video, well, I have to get the homeboy to act like one because I won't. Shouts out to staying out of Hollywood, you know what I'm saying? Because they already know I'm just like Cat Williams. I'm not here for the Diddy party. I'm here to see who all came for the Diddy party so I can see how your life was affected afterwards. And I'm going to talk shit about it. But that's another story. Shouts out to y'all.
I don't care. Hold up. Hey, why the hell they matching? Wait, matching what? Those two men in the blue shirt. I thought you was talking about matching something. I don't give a f*** people matching clothes. Why you telling me that shit? Can I get a patty milk? You finna get some? Hell no, if I eat before I roll up, I'll throw it. Well, get some, I'll pay for it.